In this video, I'll show you how to expire all user passwords in a Salesforce organization and explain what to expect before you trigger it. This action forces users to create a new password at their next login, which can be useful after security policy updates or internal changes. You'll need administrative access. Click the gear icon, open Setup, and use the search bar to find Expire All Passwords. Select the option, check the box labeled Expire All User Passwords, and click Save. The change takes effect immediately, so plan ahead and notify users in advance. If your org uses single sign-on, the impact may vary because authentication could be handled by an external identity provider. Expect some support requests right after activation, especially if users forget password requirements. Schedule the reset during low activity hours and ensure help is available. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce security tutorials.